Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm looking at potentially some yen prospects for the coming week. I don't think it will actually come to fruition today, but I think the moves can start from today, but most of the move will probably be from next week onwards. So I just want to quickly break down USD yen, what I'm seeing, and then we can take it to the other charts. So USD yen, it is quite messy, I must admit, but I do like the fact that we had this very strong bearish price action, and we've got, you could say, what people might call an ascending channel, you could say, but what I actually see is very crappy bearish price, bullish price action. Came back to an area where sellers have pushed from, sellers have pushed again, and then we're looking to break out. That is actually what I'm seeing. That could potentially happen, especially these last couple of days. I'll break down these last couple of days. The fact that we had this bullish price action followed by a test bar, followed by a very strong, you could say, engulfing candle. We've almost taken out 1 to 3 days worth of data, you could say. So I'm really liking the fact that maybe sellers want to be in control. I am expecting a little bit of a retracement today, which is what we're getting at the moment. But I will be potentially looking for maybe another bullish candle, then it's doji, and then a drop, or we actually start preparing for another bearish candle now. So I am liking what I'm seeing in terms of potentially regaining yen strength. So where does that put me with the other currencies? Well, I'm really liking euro yen. I think euro yen is excellent, guys, frankly. Doesn't get any more textbook than this in terms of a retest, in terms of areas that I'm looking for, in terms of what I may want to see. Now, this is all 4 hourly. We're going to break down the 1 hourly in a minute. But I think this is excellent. So what am I seeing, first of all? Buyers last push, strong sellers, very weak buying, strong selling, the last stab of the buyers, and then we collapsed. And now we're retesting. We're retesting back in an area where buyers gave it the last stab. So I'm really liking all of this. Once again, let's break down the price action. It's been a little while since I think I've done a video like this, just because we've been in phase 2s, and I don't think the market's been as clean as anything. But this is just awesome, I think. Strong buyers, again, having a fight between buyers and sellers. Buyers have won, came back to an area where sellers took price back down, and then very weak buying. I've broke down double tops, double bottoms plenty of times, guys. This is what they should look like. Strong buying, followed by very strong selling, followed by very weak buying, followed by very strong selling, and then weak buying again, take out, retest, off we go. This is exactly what we've got here, guys. Don't know if you can see it. Let me just shift all of this, this drawing. Don't know if I can. Oh, yes, I can. Good. Love trading. That's it. Look, guys, strong buying, strong selling, weak buying, strong selling, attempt from the buyers, take out. Strong buying, strong selling, weak buying, strong selling, attempt from the buyers, strong selling, retest, off we go. This is what we are. This is where we are now. This is where we are now. So it's just a matter of being patient and seeing if we get the formation that we want. So I'm really liking this, really liking euro yen for a short. Yes, there is quite some euro news in about at 10:30, so please do be careful. It is medium impact news, but nonetheless, you don't get these every day on a 4-hourly time frame. Therefore, you're looking at potentially quite a long move. If this is to go well, I'm definitely aiming for at least back down to these areas, back down to this weekly level. I still need a little bit of data, which will break down on the 1 hour. So what are we getting? First of all, strong bullish price action. This is the strongest candle at the very end of the move, back in a selling area. So we need to be careful of that. And secondly, I like the fact that we might be creating a test bar. This closes in 14 minutes. So I'm not getting too happy right now. I'm not jumping up and down. Let me make that very clear. When I will be jumping up and down, it's when maybe we create another doji, then a strong selling candle. Then I think that's when I'll really get interested in trying to take this market further to the downside. So the warning signs are there. That's what I'm liking. I like the fact that we're back in a selling area and the warning signs are already there. We can see sellers already trying to take, attempting to take control of the market. So, and I'm really liking this whole big formation, strong selling, attempt, broke down. Buyers seem really strong here, quite strong, I must admit. Yes, this is where we need a little bit more time. We need a little bit more time and a little bit more patience. The stronger the pullback, or the stronger the retest or the area that we want to come back to, we need to give a little bit more time to see if these sellers really want it. Hence the reason why it's so important to wait for a type of candlestick formation to let you know that we want to take this back down to the downside, obviously, respectively to what we're doing with price. So what do we want to see again? Test bar is good. I like the fact that we're creating a test bar. The next candle might be a doji or a very strong selling candle. Great. Those are the type of signals for me that I want to use to try and take this market further down to the downside. So I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to wait. That's all it is. But I like the fact that we're back retesting this area. I like the fact that we're back retesting an area where buyers gave it their last attempt. I like the fact that we have this double top. I like the fact that we had strong buyers followed by very strong sellers, followed by, this is what you would call ascending price action, where once again, very crappy buying back to a level where sellers have pushed from. And we got this massive bearish candle. This is huge data, guys. 4-hourly, massive bearish candle. Taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 4-hourly candles. That's almost 3 days. I think that's 3 days worth of data taken out. So that's huge. Right, let's go and have a look, see if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 3 days worth of data, taken out in 1 4-hourly candle. That's going to show you that sellers want to take control. Buyers have no confidence. They have no confidence. So it's now a matter of seeing if this retest holds. I want to see if this retest holds and we can go from there. So that's really it, guys. Let's just wait and see. I do like euro yen. I do like Aussie yen too. Aussie yen too is quite similar. I think euro yen is a little bit cleaner, but we're kind of trying to do the same thing back in an area where buyers gave it their last stab, then we collapsed lower. We got some selling, might be getting the retracement. Once again, on the 1 hourly, what do we look like? Well, nothing too great at the moment. Let's see if we can maybe tap into here, get a doji, train trap reversal type of pattern, or an engulfing candle, who knows? And then after that, we want to break lower. So far, euro yen, Aussie yen, really looking good. But it's also a matter of seeing what USD yen does. So just keep an eye out, keep an eye out. But I do really like euro yen. I think his textbook looks really good for a short. So the only thing is we've got news at 10:30 that we need to be careful. But nonetheless, I think this could be a short. Okay, guys, take care. Have a good one. be patient. And I'll keep an eye on this trade. I'll keep an update on this trade. As of now, it's not ready yet. We need a little bit more signals. And then we'll see. We'll see. Take care. Have a good one.